Hello kids, welcome to Kids Little Pocket channel. It's a daily word dictation channel. We practice English words writing every day. Okay, so today we will also write and learn planet names of our solar system with spellings. But as usual, before that, you have to get ready with a pencil, pen, or a notebook for our dictation. As we know, you will be given only 20 seconds for writing each word. After finishing dictation, we will count your points. So, let's get ready. Okay, so today's a turn of planet names. Do you know our solar system has 8 planets? Our solar system is billion years old and these all planets orbit around the sun. So ready for the dictation now. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury. Your time starts now. Okay, time over. Time over. The next one is Venus. Venus. Time starts now. Okay, time over. The next one is Earth. 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 Your time starts now. Okay. So the next one is Mars. 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 Your time starts now. Okay, time over, guys. The next one is Jupiter. 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 And your time starts now. Okay, guys, time over. The next one is Saturn. 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 Your time starts now. Okay, move to the next one is Uranus. 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 And time starts now. Okay. The next one is Neptune. 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 Your time starts now. Okay, so time is over. Let's see which word is the next one. Oh, it's our sun. 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 Your time starts now. Okay, guys, again, time over. Move to the next one. Okay, solar system. Solar system. Solar system. Solar system. Your time starts now. Okay, the last one is orbit. 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 Your time starts now. Okay, time over. Time over, guys. Now it's the time for answers. And I am sure you are done with all your spellings. So it's time for checking our spellings. Okay, so these are two rules. Give one star if your answer is correct, and there is no star for the wrong answer. Okay, so the first one is Mercury. It's Mercury. 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 See, can you see the ER sound? It is er, er, mer, Mercury. Okay, so I will also tell you something special about each planet. Okay, so Mercury is our first planet, which is very close to the sun. So it is very hot also. That's why we call it hottest planet. Hottest planet. Hottest planet. Mercury is the hottest planet. And do you know there is no water? Isn't it very dangerous? Yes, that makes it very hot also. That's why we call it hottest planet. Okay, the next one is Venus. 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 Okay, so what is the special about this planet? Oh, it is the brightest planet. And do you know one thing? We also call it evening or morning star because it looks very beautiful and bright. And how it is the brightest planet? I will tell you. Do you know it has yellow clouds all over the planet? And these yellow clouds are made up of acids. Okay, so this is the reason for being it so brightest, because these yellow clouds reflects the light. So when something reflects, it looks it looks very bright. That's why Venus is the brightest planet in all of them. And this is the planet which is brightest just after the moon, because moon is so beautiful, and after moon Venus is the one. Okay, move to next one. The next one is Earth. 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 I'm sure you are aware about this planet, because this is the only planet which supports life. This is the only planet which supports life. So, I want to tell you one more thing here. Do you know the meaning of Earth? The meaning of Earth is ground. Ground. This is the only planet which has life. Can you imagine this? There are 8 planets and there is no life in all 7 planets. We are the lucky one. And the 70% of Earth is covered with water. Just imagine. So we are the lucky one because we are living on the Earth planet. The next one is Mars. 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 Mars is also called red planet because it has so much iron in it that causes its soil and atmosphere looks red. Oh, great. That's why we call it red planet. Do you know about Mangalyaan? Okay. Yes, it is our Mangalyaan which enters in the Mars orbit in only one attempt. Oh, great. That is red planet. Okay, move to next one. Next one is Jupiter. 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 Jupiter is the largest planet in all 8 planets, and it has a big red spot in it. Okay, the next one is we will move to next one is Saturn. 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 The simple spelling is, do you know the spelling of turn? That is Turn. We are just adding SA. That is sa. Saturn. U sounds a. Turn. Turn. Saturn. So what is special about Saturn? It is the lightest planet. Oh, planet can also be the lightest one. Oh, and it has many rings also. Can you see the ring outside the planet? Yes, it has many rings also. So it is the lightest planet because it is made up of gases. Only gases, no solid thing. Okay, move to next one is Uranus. Uranus. It is also called the green planet. And why it is called green planet? Because again, this planet is made up of gases. This planet is made up of gases and these gases looks green. That's why the whole planet looks green. Okay, the next one is Neptune. Neptune. It is the furthest planet from the sun. Spells Neptune. 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 Tune. E. There are so many pronunciation for this word. We can also call it Neptune. Neptune. Okay. And it is the coldest planet because it is very far away from the sun. And it is also called blue planet because its gases made up this planet is made up of gases, and these are blue in color. So sometimes we also call it blue planet. Okay, what is the next thing is sun. Oh, I am sure you don't know one thing which I'm going to tell you is that sun is the star. Yes, sun is a star. Sun is a star, and it is the center of the solar system because it lives in the center of the solar system, and all the 8 planets moves around the sun. All the 8 planets move around the sun. Oh, this is something special. Okay, what is next? The next answer was SOLARSYSTEM, solar system, because all when we collect all the things, all our 8 planets, their moons, sun, their orbits, everything all together is called solar system. Okay, everything collectively called solar system. Okay, kids. Next one is orbit. What is orbit? ORBIT. This this spelling is the simplest one. or bit, bit or bit. Now, what is orbit? Orbit is a repeating path of an orbit of an of an planet. It is not circular, it is oval shaped. Okay, so I hope you have got all the stars, but if not, I think you have to try once more. Not once more, you have to try many times until you get all the stars because you all are my very good kids. So, this is all for today, and come back tomorrow for daily dictation, daily writing practice. Okay, so that you can get all the stars, all the stars. Do subscribe for everyday online dictation practice. This is my channel, Little Pocket. Okay, kids. Bye bye.